You ain't seen nothing yet. Now I'll talk about the NetScaler Mass analytics system. Several years ago, it's been several years, but it's stuck in my mind. I was talking to a customer, and he told me, I don't have a big data problem. And I looked at him, and he says, I just throw all the data away. Now, in today's day and age, you can't throw any data away. And I am here to tell you that if you have a NetScaler, you have a big data problem. NetScaler sits at a unique point in the network. From this point in the network, we have complete and unencrypted visibility into your users' interactions with your applications over the network. Users, applications, and network all in one place. But the sheer amount of data that a NetScaler sees at this point is staggering. A single NetScaler device can produce over 1 million transactions per second. No data collection system in the world can collect the data that we generate. The data simply falls on the floor. Instead of talking about this slide, let me show you some of this. Here, what you see is a live simulation of a large customer with thousands of servers, hundreds, thousands of applications spread across the globe in many different data centers. NetScaler is generating the data, it's generating the telemetry, but it's all falling on the ground. What happens when we introduce the mass into this picture? With mass in this picture, we are now collecting all of this data in real time. How did that happen? As part of mass, we developed a new technology that we call the log stream technology, which allows us to collect the data that NetScaler generates over 100 times faster than anything else. That speed up is what allows us to take all of this data and bring it to one state, one place. But now that you have the data in one place, what can you do with it? Imagine if you had to find something very specific in this vast ocean of data. I'll tell you something everybody will relate to. Imagine if there was something that happened only sporadically. Intermittent failures, you can't spot it, you can't track it, you can't watch for it, it just happens. How would you find that? Let's bring up the mass console and see how you'd go about that. The system is one step ahead of you. What we are seeing here is the NetScaler Mass dashboard, and it's showing you all of your applications, but it's sorted them in a particular order that the system wants you to look at these applications. If you look at this graph on the screen, you and I will not see anything out of the ordinary with this graph. It looks pretty flat. It's about 400 transactions per second, and it's been going steady for a while. But mass sees more than we do. If you look carefully, there's a red flag. There's a red flag on the plot. What happens if we click on that flag? Now it's what mass has done. It has picked one server out of the 25,000 servers you had. It's picked one application. It's picked one data center, and it's decided to tell you that something was wrong or different about this one server. There were no baselines. There was no manual configuration. There were no thresholds configured. This was mass analytics in action. This was data science. So with MAS, we separate the signal from the noise. That's advanced analytics with MAS. Now in closing, make your 5-year bet. Adopt technology on your terms. With software first, be fluid. With one-to-any, be fearless. And with NetScaler MAS, be intelligent. And join us on this business of yes. Thank you.